Hello and welcome back to JayTechTips. So in the last video we unboxed the brand new Unifi switch, but since then I've had a couple of issues. The first 8 ports were PoE, as we discovered in that video. They worked just fine, no problems there, but the other 8 were just regular ports. They didn't work. They did not work at all. They would light up, they would do all that fun stuff, but absolutely zero data would go through. It was really weird. I spent way too long trying to troubleshoot it, and then I spent about a month, quite literally since I made that video, I've spent all that time with Unifi support trying to figure out the problem. I've had the text that was supporting me kept asking me the same questions, kept trying to make me do the same thing. I was having issues with downloading the support file and then trying to upload that, just a lot of issues that really wasn't great. But anyway, I submitted an RMA request at the end of it, because I was just like, screw it, it's not worth it. So I submitted an RMA, and finally, we got the replacement. So in this video, we're going to unbox this, and basically go from there. But yeah, we're going to unbox this, and then, yeah, because it's very annoying when you buy something that's expensive and it doesn't work. I get thinking to myself, I'll just leave it be, I'll just deal with it, but no, it was just so frustrating that I couldn't do it. I had to get this, or submit the RMA and get the replacement. So I haven't had a switch, like it's all plugged into the, where are we? There we are, into the UDM. So it's just been very frustrating, but finally, we have the box, we can open it. So, just like the other one, it's nothing exciting, nothing fun. You've already seen it before, it's just a little pull tab. Well, that's fun. All the way there. And literally just before this, I've just ordered a brand new U7 Pro. So hopefully that'll come soon and we can unbox that as well. It's going to replace the UAC AP Pro, whatever it's called, that I've got sitting up there as well. So just like before, it's pretty standard. I think the packaging might be slightly different on the inside, but it's all the same. Okay. Now I can drop the switch. So just like before, power cable, quick start guide, mounting brackets, all the fun stuff. Alright, let's not drop this. And then we have obviously the switch itself. Plug that over there. Get this, the good stuff, open up the goods. So I was hoping, because sometimes I've read stories of Unifi sending out, well, this is obviously for the US and UK people, sending out like better versions of things. Like if someone sent in an AP, they'd get like the next model up. Fortunately, I didn't get that. Well, to be fair, Unifi don't ship direct to Australia. I had to go through like the reseller to get this, so which is kind of annoying, but there we go. We got the switch. It's nice, it's new, and I'm going to get this set up and open it. So just like before, first 8 ports are PoE plus, and the other 8 are just regular normal PoE. We have SFP plus. I think one of them is 10 gig potentially. Can't remember. I don't remember. It's been a long time. I don't care enough. And then of course the little touchscreen, which is really cool for management. It's really good. So we're gonna end the video just like we did last time. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will keep you updated if I have to return this one too.